Okay, just a quick bite to eat before I roll out. Then I go chasing waterfalls after this one. Here's the spread. It's looking good, thank you. Kap chai lalai. Thank you, Kap chai lalai. Bye bye, my belly's full. I'm so grateful. Now we got all the energy in the world. You'll have a good day. Oh, thank you so much. I'll take it. Kap chai. Such nice people. I got all the energy in the world to have a really good day right now. Let's go chase some waterfalls. All right, waterfall number 1 of the day. It's Tadfek Waterfall. I was here yesterday, so I'm not gonna walk down there. This is the only waterfall that I won't walk up to today. Every other waterfall I will get physical with. Wow, lovely. What's up, ID? How's it going? Yeah, cool, cool. What's up, ID? Yeah, brother. All right, let's see this waterfall. No way, no way. Hey, here we are at waterfall number 2 of the day. This one is so freaking beautiful, oh my God. The flow is absolutely out of this world strong. Look at that, there's so much water coming over these rocks. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we have a bit of a drive ahead of us, about 50 minutes. I'm fast, so I'm gonna turn that into about 40, and then we got our next 2 waterfalls, then we're heading to the big boys. And okay, I'm approaching the Bolaven Plateau. I'm on the edge of it right now. That's it up there, it's one side, and then that's one side of the plateau as well. This is the valley that kind of cuts through it. I'm going up and in. There's a bunch of waterfalls waiting for me up there. I'm not sure what's this way. It's looking like a huge farm of some sort. Maybe I can go through, maybe I can't. Maybe a banana farm? I'm not sure. Sub ID. Sub ID. Yes, sir. They look cool. I wonder what's down here. Okay, I'm in the Bolaven Plateau. Okay, the map, okay, I'm at some power plant right now. The map says that there's a waterfall near me. I hear the water, there's a stream running right beside me. I can't find it, but I can't find it, however, I can't find the waterfall, however, I have a drone. So I'm just gonna put my drone up in the air and see if I can find it. If it's close, I'll go to it. If not, I'll just fly to it and call it a day. On to the next. Okay. All right, cool. So that Lao man just showed me where to go. I'm gonna put this bag on my back. It's got my camera mounted on it. Let's see how this performs. I don't know what this trail is gonna be like. He said I could go back here. Full trust, baby. Let's go. I'm pretty sure this is the one where they release the dam water every like 30 or 45 minutes, so I got to be really cautious with this one. I think it's pretty tall, so whenever that water starts to come, I have to run or I'm gonna get washed downstream. So I need to watch the water levels. That's the only thing I got to do right here. I can't tell if they're rising right now or not. I'm gonna put my drone in the air and get this over with so I can leave. Guys, I am not kidding you. My heart started pounding so hard whenever I seen how big that waterfall is and just actually how much danger I could be in if the water started coming. This waterfall is freaking massive. Sabadi. All right, waterfall number 5 or 4. Waterfall number 4 of the day is supposed to be right there. Wow. Somebody. I don't think any of these people are Lao around here, to be honest. I think they're a bunch of Chinese, but this place is gorgeous. I'm gonna eat some food right now before I get on this hike. I don't think that's the big waterfall down there. I think the big waterfall is on that side. A lot of the trails here are built up and very well maintained in Laos. I'll give them that. They're really good at taking care of their trails, probably because that's their main source of income. Aside from exporting electricity as tourism, we bring it all to the country. There's not a lot here. Holy shit. Gosh, look at that. Right there. That is a giant waterfall. It reminds me of Fall Creek Falls State Park in Tennessee. It's so lush around it. Excuse me. All the purple flowers down there making me feel so alive. Sabadi. All right, I forget which waterfall this is. I think it's like 6 or 7. We're pretty deep right now. This is one of the prettiest waterfalls I've ever seen, especially with the purple flowers everywhere. I'll put the name of this waterfall right on the screen right here. Also, I know you guys have been following along with this map I've created of the Pakse and the Bolaven Loop. It's a beautiful world out here. You guys gotta come and see it. It's the only way you'll believe it. I promise you. Okay, I gotta go. I just crashed my drone and had to trek a little bit through the jungle to get it, but that's all right. Ran out of battery as well, so no more flying. Sabadi! Yeah, so we'll see how many more waterfalls I can get. I don't know, maybe 2 or 3, and then I gotta go. I gotta go find a guest house so I can sleep. I'm here at waterfall number 9 of the day. It's called Tadiv. I'll put it on the screen right here. Number 9. Just today, Sabaidi. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is a good one. Sabaidi. Sabaidi. That's it, baby. We've entered double digits on the waterfalls. 10 in one day. That's a record, baby. We love setting personal bests. They have the green beer, Lao. They got green beer in cans. I think I'll get a big one. BBL. BBL. BBL, baby. Yeah. Bliss and liberation. Guys, one last thing before you head out of here. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow, and also I'm really grateful for that. Gratitude for you, gratitude for the earth and Mother Nature. Thank you, God. I'll say that first and foremost. And thank you, me, for having the courage to step outside of my comfort zone. And that's all I want from you, is to put yourself out there into the most uncertain moments, because uncertainty is where the most magic happens. I'm so grateful for you. See you guys. He's coming back down, I think, to grab something to go up there and get the drone out of the tree.